Heygen versus Hedra. Let's get started. So let's start with Heygen. Heygen is an AI video creation tool focused on realistic talking avatars, text to video, and AI dubbing. It's ideal for business explainers and multilingual marketing and faceless content. It offers a realistic AI avatar with natural facial expressions. It supports multi-language dubbing with lip sync. It's also great for training, sales, explainer videos, high-resolution exports and API available, and it also has custom avatar and voice cloning in its paid tier. The only downside is it can be expensive for casual users and it's not ideal for social style and trendy short videos. Now, Hydra, on the other hand, is an AI tool focused on AI-generated influencers, short-form vertical videos, and automated hooks and scripts. It's more social media driven and built for creators and marketers. It offers a custom style short form content, TikTok style vertical videos. It also has an auto generate which hooks, script, avatar, and voice full content in minutes. It's also easy to customize your avatar, which looks and the voice for personality. It's also perfect for content creators, ad agencies, social marketers, and it has a fast turnaround and batch generation features. The only downside is it's less realistic than Heian for corporate use. It has fewer language and no lip-sync dubbing, and it's still evolving, and it has a limited long-form use cases. So choose Heian if you need high-quality avatar videos, and choose Hedra if you're a content creator, brand, or social media marketer.